Hi, kia ora, my name is Loralye.
E moa today, Winton School. I am Kate. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for our upper, the 28th of October.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder, this time you must wear your sunhats at playtime and lunchtimes. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
And a quick kia ora to those students returning sports gear to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and interval. Ka pai, koutou.
Library news. Open today for returns, browsing and issues.
Get in quick. No library on Friday due to Pet Day.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is kakara,
which is te reo for sweet smell or fragrant, as in tō kakara hoki.
You smell lovely.
Aw, thank you, Kate. Kia ora. Touch news. Tigers and leopards, you have no training today. You'll be on tomorrow at lunchtime.
Winton Panthers, you have a practice today. Meet by the library steps at 12:45.
Year 1 and 2 teams, listen up. Winton Bears, Cheetahs, Warriors and Wombles meet in the junior lunch area at 12:45. Kia ora.
Pet Day news. A reminder to bring all the things you need tomorrow to make your Pet Day creations.
Year 7 and 8. Please meet Ms. Mines in room 13 at interval. Thank you.
Birthday news. 2 at Winton School today.
Brooklyn Minigan is turning 11 and Marissa Ardendorf is turning 8. Happy birthday, you two. Ra whānau kia koe.
Okay, that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a popo.
Stay sharp and haere at Winton School.